Hello my crafty friends, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you a little project that is still ongoing, and we're not gonna make actually anything today. I'm just gonna show you, but on the next video with this project I will show you the actual process. So let me just grab this. So the whole project, I put it inside one of my stash stacks, one of the biggest one. And so the project is using the DIY color deck, and I've got here already what I've done so far, and I will show you in a second. And I'm not going to show you the actual project. The project is a calendar, so I'm making a 2026 calendar for myself, but it will be, or maybe I'll give it to someone, I don't know, but at the moment I'm making it for myself just to remind me something. And I'm going to use the new calendar BetterPress for 2026. I don't remember the actual name of the things, but I will list it below. I'm gonna get some color inspiration using some DIY color deck cards. That some of them are the latest Christmas pack that is just come out. So I'm gonna use some of them, and some of them are from the old one. And I'm going to use some products, some old products from the past. So this one, I don't remember when it came out, March, I don't remember when it came out. But anyway, this is the letterpress, bold color mix BetterPress that I bought recently. So I decided to start my own calendar. And then I'm going to use every single small day of the month from January 2025, and then on December 2025 I will finish my calendar ready for January, and it's going to be a reminder of which one was the small day of the month for every month of the year of last year, let's say. So from this year basically. But it's gonna be as a reminder. Next year is gonna be a reminder what it was last year. So anyway, I'm gonna show you the card, but I'm gonna clear up this one. I'm gonna put back everything in the box. Now the cover of my calendar is gonna be, of course, 2026. That's where I use the numbers over there. I don't know how I'm gonna close it after. I think or I'm gonna put it in a box, or I'm gonna make it bigger, just attach it to a 5x7 and punch some holes and bind them together. So I'm not sure, because it's gonna be very, very thick, so I'm not sure how I'm gonna, storage and or place it in my craft space yet, but I'll think of that after. So for now I'm just playing around. I have a lot of fun. Now, as I said, that the cover is going to be just the number 2026, and I use colors that I had in my stash already. There are new colors, new BetterPress colors that I'm going to use soon, but when I start the project I didn't have those colors, so those one are old ones that I don't remember. I think this one is saffron and azalea, maybe, I'm not sure, sorry, but I don't remember the other two. I think this one actually is distressing, if I remember correctly. Yeah, I think it's distressing. Anyway, so I think it worked fine. I love it, the cover like that. And now for January, if you remember, the small day of the month for January was this beautiful ladybird, and I used this color inspiration from this card. So we got raven I use for the center of the flowers, and then I put the black in the eyes as well, just one of black gems. Classic white for the body and the wing top layers. Coral for the flowers and the wings, the bottom part of the wings. We got peridot for the body of my dragonfly and for the leaf of the little flowers. And then we got cascade that I use as a background. And very, very simple, but I think it's very cute. It remind me what it was the January 2025 small day of the month. Now for February, if you remember, there was a lovely shoes that and all these little flowers. Now I didn't want to put the shoes because it's too big, so I used just some element of that die set, and I used the beautiful flowers with the colors of this inspiration. So we got this is, it's not poppy, isn't it? I don't remember if it's poppy or it's the darker one. No, I think it's poppy. It's not pomegranate, so yes, poppy. And then we got carrot, we got bee wax, peridot again, and rainforest. And as a vase, I use a piece of the socks that was on the die set. So yeah, I like it. I hope you do as well. Now for March, it was the fisherman. Again, it was too big to put the fisherman, so I decided to use some of the elements on that die set and to create like a grid. And as a color, I choose this card that is got, I don't remember which pink is this one. I need to search it, sorry. I do have my swatches somewhere, but I can't find it now. And then we've got two different type of purple. Okay, let me think. So this one I think it might be blush. Yeah, I think it's blush. It's not Bellini, so blush. And the lavender, lilac. This one is windy, I think. It's not cascade again, isn't it? Let me double check. No, it's different. So I think this one is windy. And breeze, no, windy. And this one is teal topaz. Yes, I think. Yeah, because the darker one is called something else. This one is teal topaz. So I made a little grid. There we go. Now this one, I didn't even make a card with this. And I was like, oh, I forgot about this cutie. So I had a lot of fun making this one. That was from April 2025. The small day of the month was this cute little snail with the post. There was a post mail, but I just gave it the bag, but I didn't make it as a postman. And they have these very pretty flowers, the little worm. And as a color, I use bee wax, carrot, coral, rainforest, I think, or maybe this is a green from my stash. I don't remember now. I need to double check. And this one again, is it teal topaz? No, it's darker. And I don't think it's blue spruce. It could be, maybe. But yeah, I thought they come out quite nice like that with this color combination. And then we go May. For May I used black. Then we had the pomegranate or poppy. Keep on forgetting if this one is poppy. I think it's poppy. So we got poppy for the apple. We got carrot. The same similar color I use. I guess they are my way to go. We got fern, a new green. Then we got classic white and black. And it was a very cute little apple with all teachers, students, school team die set. Really lovely. and that's for June. This adorable, super cute sea lion, I don't know what to say, waller or something like that, but anyways, adorable. And there's a color I used, I think it's Fog. Then we got Cascade, Peridot again, Rainforest, and Carrot again. I mean, I really like this color, so I easily find it all over the place. And there's a little accent. I use the glitter cardstock from the Gold Treasure glitter cardstock, and this one is black brushed for the, you don't really see much, but it's got some little bit of shimmer in it, and it's so cute. I love it so much, this one. And now for July, I didn't receive my kit yet, but as soon as I receive it, we're gonna make a card together. So we're gonna make this one together. I'll make a little video if you're interested about the process I did. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful rest of the day, and see you next time. Bye.